Hi guys, today we are going to start with new series on HTML CSS. So basically, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the most widely used language on web to develop web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page, of how a web page should look like, how to display the content on our web page. So HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. This is very important that HTML is not a case sensitive language. HTML elements are represented by tags such as heading tag, paragraph tags, and so on. We will study many tags later in our course. This is how we define a tag. We have an opening tag, we have a closing tag, and whatever we want to write goes in between these two tags. These tags normally come in pairs like this. We have an opening tag, we have a closing tag. Some commonly used tags are HTML tag, which is the root element of an HTML page. Everything is enclosed under the HTML tag. We have a head tag, which contains the meta information about the document. We have title, which specifies a title for our document. We have a body tag, which is really important, which contains the visible content on our web page. Everything which is visible on our web page is under this body tag. We have a paragraph tag which defines a paragraph, and then we have heading tags which are h1 h2 till h6, which are a normal heading tags. This is a basic HTML page structure. As we can see, everything is enclosed under the HTML tags. We have head, in which we have title, then we have body tags in which all the content goes. So now let's try to code a basic HTML web page. So let's start by writing type HTML. Then we have HTML tag. Let me increase the font. Yeah. So HTML. Then I have head tag in which I will have title. So let's say my first page. Now the body tag in which all the content that we want our web page should have will be written in this tag h1. Let's say, hey guys. Now let's save this. Oops. Let's save this and let's try to run this code. We will have this, hey guys, and we will have a title of my first page. Now let's try to insert a paragraph in this. Let's say, how are you? I am fine. Let's save this and let's see what happens. We will have a paragraph also. So this is how we create a basic HTML page. So this is a basic view of what HTML is, how to create a basic HTML web page. We will learn more about HTML CSS in our next videos. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel.